14-20. All right, the OJ fade. OJ got 14.
OJ got 14, man.
22-14. OJ got 14.
Okay, Senzo. Hey, Senzo, I like the
Senzo with the 3.
I like the confidence, Lou.
Right back. Lou helping. Right back to OJ. Another fade.
Oh my
OJ got 16.
Hey, OJ got 16, man.
17-24. OJ got 16. Okay, John with the putback. Vaughn with the deep 3. They on the run, They on the run. 22-24. Another steal. Oh. Can they complete it?
Oh my God.
They came all the way back now.
Look at the score, folks. Look at the score.
25-24.
25-24. They came all the way back.
Oh, a chance to extend the lead. Blue for the pull-up. Always. 28-24. 28-24, game 30.
It ain't over, y'all.
They can't score anymore. Bang. 27-28. Will there be a game winner? Ball got 28. Oh, the steal. Uh-oh. How can they hit a game winner to end the game? Rebound. The board man wins the game. He's done it again. He's done it again. He hits game winner.
Oh my goodness. The score 30-28. Hey, that was a great last game. Wow.